Hey, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the Brown Gent. Are you sick and tired of hearing about AI tokens after they've already had a gigantic move? Well, you're in luck because in this video, I'm going to talk about Prompt, which is a really cool AI token that you can actually earn an airdrop from right before they do the launch. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that in a very sort of simple set of steps. Some of it will require capital investment and some of it won't. So you can decide what you want to do. Just remember, nothing I say here is financial advice. Please do your own research. I'm just a guy on YouTube. And if you end up liking the content that you see, make sure you like and share the video, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Twitter. You can check my wallet out on DebBank and check my services out in the links down below. Now, I did write a tweet recently just about this, only because I wanted to try to earn some yaps. If you haven't heard about that, I'll be making another video on why yaps are so important and something that you should be trying to get to. But most importantly, as you know, we have been looking at AI agents with the success of AI XBT, or if you look at platforms like Virtual or the AI16Z, Eliza and everything else like that. Basically, we've seen these go from very small market caps to massive billion-dollar valuations. And now you can get in early on what could also be a top AI coin of the cycle and earn their airdrop, because 40% of the tokens are going to be given away to early users who take action after watching this video. So the token is called Prompt and it's tied to Wayfinder. And Wayfinder is like an AI tool. What it does is it basically will improve the workflow of its users. It does that by allowing cross-chain seamless swaps of assets. It will analyze blockchain data, and it will also deploy smart contracts. So there's really two steps. The first step is really around joining in on the early access program. This is sort of the free to do thing. I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. So when you go to the Wayfinder website, in fact, make sure you use the link that I provide. So show the support using the referral link. What you do here is you click on Get Early Access, and then what it will ask you to do is fill in your information, email address, account name, password, all that good stuff. You'll get an email where you have to basically confirm and verify the email. Then once it does that, you will see a sort of completed phase one where you will then have to, you get a specific key that you have to remember. It will generate some wallets for you. And once you've done all that, it will take you to this space. Now, in this space, there is really nothing you can do. I mean, there is one thing, I guess, which is you can deposit some funds onto this if you'd like. I put in 0.1 Ethereum. I don't believe you have to put anything, but really you have to wait until the coming soon that you see over here has something that's active. So my recommendation is you definitely follow the Wayfinder account on Twitter. That way, whenever there's an update to this, you can get active. So that's basically what you've got to do. That will get you 1% or get you a portion of 1% of the supply. The second is owning and staking the Prime token, which comes from Parallel. Basically 39% of the supply. So the majority of this airdrop, 39 out of 40, will be given to those who stake. In this case, on their platform, it's called Cache. It's the number one way to secure the Prompt allocation. Once again, I have a referral link. If you want to do it this way, I have cached/staked my tokens, and I've done them on both Ethereum mainnet and Base because I had tokens on both. So let me show you what that looks like. When you go in to the platform, you're going to see introducing Prime caching. Basically, the Wayfinder community voted to allow cached Prime to be a factor in the initialization of Wayfinder governance. Basically, caching Prime will help bootstrap the early Wayfinder community, and you're going to earn that governance power. So you can click Cache Prime, and depending on the network you select, so you can go to Base or you can go to Ethereum. We'll stay on Base for now because I do have some available. And you can see below already existing caches you have. So I have 71 prime that's locked up for 170 days with a multiplier of 6.485. I also have 2 prime just to show you guys. It's locked up for the max 883 days, way into the bear market, and it has a 56.2x multiplier. What you'll notice is you can open up multiple caches, and each time you do, you can pick a duration and it will change your modifier. So I'll just show you right now. I hit I understand. We'll select 2 because that's the minimum. I hit next step, and you can see here I can drag this. So I can pick 21 days. It will be 1.055. Every so often there's a peak. So you can see here at 38 days, it's like 4.1. At 90 days, it's 9.519. At 183 days, 16.45. Keeps going. You can do that. You can then preview it and it will tell you all the stuff. You can then decide what you want to do. The idea is the modifier times the number of prime you choose to cache or cash. Probably saying it wrong. Someone in the comments going to tell me my pronunciation is wrong, but whatever. Basically, that will get you the amount. Okay. So that's that. You go in the overview and you can also see your leaderboard rank. And you can see what your total prime score is, 24,317, your total community score, and total initialization score, as well as any badges you have earned. So you go here, you click view badges, and you can see all the badges you've earned here. Longest caching time 180, user referred 1, 5, and then 10. Hopefully that number's going to get up there if you guys use my referral link. Please do. The data is updated every 24 hours. So now that I've cached all the way to the top, I should be getting more of these. I should be getting the longest caching time. Probably can't do 900 or maximum because people were doing it way before, but that's definitely something you can do. You can go to leaderboard as well, and you can see how everyone else is doing. There's some big wallets out here, 5 million prime cached. The idea here is, remember, prime is a very good gaming token. And the idea here, and sort of my thesis, is I want to sort of stake prime for the duration of the bull market. So you can see over here, I've staked until June for the majority of my tokens. I'm going to plan to sell my prime tokens. This should likely be around, where we're doing well. Maybe the sell in May, go away thesis will play out. And then I'll just sell in September, October if we end up sort of having an extended bull market. Not a problem right there. And then the last thing I do want to show you is, where do you get prime if you don't have it? Well, if you go to Gecko Terminal, you type in prime, you come here. I'll have this linked below, of course. You can hit trade, Uniswap, and it will take you here where you can swap. In this case, I swapped ETH for prime. Very, very simple. Very short video. I hope this helped. Obviously, nothing I say is financial advice. I hope you make whatever decision is best for you. I have chosen to stake some prime, and I'm involved in the early access program as well, because honestly, AI is one of the number one, it's actually number one narrative right now. It is outpacing meme coins. So you definitely don't want to sleep on this if you have that opportunity. But that being said, like I said, nothing is financial advice. If you like the content, hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel. Brown Gent out. I'll see you later. Thanks for watching.